Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodieReader.com, and the long-awaited Supernote A6 by Ratta is here. I am not sure if this is the promotional box or the actual retail box because it is quite thick. However, this was sent to us for review purposes, and it does say the A6 on the side. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up for the first time and see what we can see. It's got a nice little tear strip here. It's actually really high quality box. This is a nice box. Okay, there it is. So we're just going to slide this out. Supernote has gained a little bit of a reputation for themselves with their packaging. It is very nice and no more evident than in the A5. You'll see that it does come with a folio, and we'll just get into that in a second here. Looking at the Supernote box, you have book style box with white insert on the inside. It is not cardboard in the sense where it's corrugated. It is actually a very nice hard cardstock. It opens up like a folder. You'll see there's these little tabs, so you just open up the tab and pull the tab out, and there is the device itself. And as always, we leave it till the very end while looking through everything. So what's in the box? You get your warranty card, product warranty card. Hold on to that. It's stuck right there, the same one on the box. And you get the user manual. So we'll just kind of go through this. You guys can pause the video at any point in time if you want to read these. And the back as well, just in case you guys lose your user manual. Pause the video and you get yourself a little digital version. Here is the USB cable. It's a flat cable, and it has USB-C on one side, full USB on the other side, and the Supernote is actually on there. It is not a sticker, and it's got a little sleeve there as well. So that's very nice. Everything's really tight. This is a hard foam. It's very nice, and everything is cut perfectly for the sizes of what it needs to fit. Here is the pen. We've shown you this pen countless times. We'll show it again in the full review, and that's it for the actual box of the device itself. And we have the folio next. The folio is very similar cardstock, opens up like that, and you will see that they have a little window here that kind of blends in with the whole design, shows you the color of the folio itself, because yeah, it is not written on here, so they actually leave it up to the window, which is a very nice touch. So opening that up, it says open here. Just pull that open, slide this out, I'm assuming. Oh, there we go. Right. I see, because there's the little loop. So just some what is that? Oh, cool. A little card. I actually can't read Chinese. I can read some of that because it's in Chinese, has the same characters as Japanese. But so this has the little rail attachment that is patented by Supernote, and your device slides right onto it. It's a felt on the inside and a kind of hard leather on the outside with a stylus loop. So that's everything that comes in the box with the purchase of an A6. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you guys just let us know. And if you guys are saying, well, why didn't you show the device and everything? Well, that's because this is an unboxing video. This is showing you everything that comes in the retail packaging of what to expect when you buy this device. If you guys want to see the full review, it'll be on our YouTube channel following this video. And for a good e-reader video and unboxing of the Ratta Supernote A6, this is Peter.